With the rapid advancement of digital media technology, people have started to share and communicate with others in various ways. In this process, the live streaming industry is undoubtedly an unavoidable topic. People share their real-time experience through the internet, bring people closer together. In 2010, the Nova company Natural Plus released the animation video on YouTube featuring their mascot character Supersonic, introducing their products. This marked the emergence of virtual characters with social functions similar to real people. The following year, YouTube Ami Yamato introduced herself in a video using a 3D visual character, showing people that shaping oneself into a virtual character to share information is an interesting way of expression. In the same year, Japanese company Weather News truly connected the format of live broadcasting with virtual characters. The virtual character Ali was born as a weather reporter. Although the flexibility of the character was not perfect, the birth of the concept undoubtedly planted the seed for the later emergence of virtual streamers. It can be said that it was the advancement of digital technology that turned this concept into a reality. In 2016, the adorable virtual YouTuber Kizuna made her appearance, which also marked the beginning of the prosperity of the virtual live streaming industry. The community of virtual YouTubers has become the group of the best leverage the advantages of digital media technology in the field of live streaming. However, often such technologies are mainly utilized by the large companies. As an individual user, even if one desires to become a virtual streamer, there are often significant doubts regarding the steps involved. Therefore, I wonder if I could provide a solution that allows individuals to easily become virtual streamers. Based on the idea of a low-cost production approach, the Live 2D virtual character creation solution naturally became my target direction. Because Live 2D creates a slight 3D effect through a 2D model, this form of virtual character is the most cost-effective choice for users. To analyze and summarize the progress of the solution, it could be broken down into four parts: the conceptual parts, the model building parts, face capture analyze part, and the live streaming interactive performance part. To analyze the draw conclusion for these four parts, a constant comparative method is essential. This theory includes four stages. 1. Comparing incidents applicable to each category. 2. Integrating categories and their properties. 3. Delimiting the theory. And 4. Writing the theory. By individually dividing the four steps of the solution into four stages, I believe it is important to summarize a reasonable production plan. Specifically for the conceptual parts, the focus will be on designing a reasonable blueprint for virtual characters that suit the users. The key aspect lies in the coordination between the artist and the modeler, and facilitating effective communication between the two parties is of utmost importance. Based on the theory, the application and the process within the workflow need to be classified and planned. By comparing and contrasting, the advantages and disadvantages can be identified, leading to the development of an efficiency and a rational theory. The next stage, the model building part, involves optimizing and comparing engineering software. By comparing similar software with different functionalities, their applications in various contexts can be determined and planned, followed by summarization. The same approach applies to face capture analyze part. However, the fourth stage is the final step to validate the previous three stages. It involves refining the previous steps based on performance testing during live streaming. All the aforementioned processes should be based on decision-making theories, which emphasize neither rational nor economic criteria can precisely describe the decision-making process in management. This gives risk to the concept of abundant rationality and the satisficing principle. In simple terms, from the perspective of creators, the approach is not entirely objective and carries subjectivity. Nevertheless, obtaining the relatively accurate answer and solution with a limited time frame is worthwhile. After conducting tests and production over the past 6 months, a low-cost and satisfactory virtual character living streaming solution has been developed. For more detailed information, please stay tuned for my upcoming sharing content. Thanks for watching.